Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Buick Lacrosse. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a drain pan. Next, ensure your engine is cool, then carefully drain the old coolant into a suitable container. Remember to properly dispose of the used coolant. Finally, for your safety, disconnect the negative terminal from your car's battery before proceeding with any further steps. Now, let's get to removing the old pump. Begin by loosening the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine drive belt from around the pulleys. Once the belt is off, you can unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. Be prepared for some residual coolant to spill. After removal, it's crucial to thoroughly clean the engine's mounting surface, ensuring no old gasket material remains. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. First, place a brand new gasket onto the meticulously cleaned mounting surface. This ensures a proper seal. Then, carefully position the new water pump and secure it with the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reattach all the hoses you removed earlier and carefully put the serpentine drive belt back onto its pulleys. You're almost done. Now, it's time to refill your cooling system with the correct type and amount of fresh coolant. After refilling, you'll need to bleed any trapped air from the system, which often involves running the engine with the heater on. Finally, carefully check for any leaks around the new water pump and ensure everything is operating smoothly. Congratulations, you've replaced your water pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.